Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some easy peasy crafts. For first, we will take a bubble wrap sheet and roll it like this and crumple it. Now paste the sellotape over it like this, make a candy stick and it's ready. Next, we will take a photo frame like this. So first we will make a photo frame using this wooden cardboard sheet. Apply the glue or the sellotape and paste the flowers on the back and your flower frame is ready. Next, we will make some more interesting crafts. For that, we will needing 3 ice cream sticks. Tie them from the between using a thread like this. Roll it properly as shown in the video. Tie it very well. Now draw the lines, make the eyes, and your turtle is ready. Next, we will make a basket. For that, we will need a paper cup. Press it like this. Now cut it from the sides and fold it as shown in the video. Now again cut it and then we will fix them into each other like this. Fix the paper strips on the alternative sides. Make its handle and your basket is ready. Next, we will make a toy. For that, we will be needing a paper cup. Draw the lines on it and then cut it as shown in the video using the scissors. After you are done with it, we will spread it like this and press it from the sides. After that, color it of your choice. Make a hole in the between and put a stick on it. Fix a straw on the back and your toy is ready. Next, take the ice cream sticks and color it. Now take a paper and draw the cloud on it and cut it out. Now paste the ice cream sticks on it like this. Draw its eyes and mouth and your cloud is ready. Next, cut a paper like this. So here we are making a kitty. Draw its face like this. Now take a ice cream stick, fix it on the back. Now using a pipe cleaner, we will fix it to make its tail and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup and cut it like this. Now cut it from the between, spread it like this and remove the remaining parts. So here we are making a flower. Cut it to make its petals. Now draw its eyes and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup like this and cut it as shown in the video. So draw the lines on it first and then cut it out. After that, spread it and make its neck and your swan is ready. Next, take a white color paper and fold it like this in a cone shape. Now take a red color paper to make its head part. So here we are making a mushroom. Draw the bubble lines on it and it's ready. Next, we will make a broom. So for that, we will need a pink color paper like this and cut it and then make the frills like this on the end. Now we will make its handle using a green color paper, stick its eyes and mouth and your broom is ready. Next, we will make a filter like this. For that, we will need a plastic bottle, make a hole in the between and fix a straw. Now take a paper cup and fix the bottle over it and your filter is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a paper strip and paste it on the yellow sheet like this. Now using red color papers, fix it to make the cherries and your cherries are ready. Next, we will take ice cream stick and cut it like this from the sides. Now fix the another ice cream sticks and your dragonfly is ready. Next, take the ice cream sticks and stick them in the triangle shape. Fix it over the sheet, draw its eyes and your monster is ready. Next, we will take a yellow color paper and fix it on the sides of the blue sheet. Fix the yellow paper in the between like this and your fish is ready. Next, take a blue color paper like this and then paste the legs of the octopus using the blue papers like this. Now stick its eyes, draw its mouth and it's ready. Next, we will make a dragon. So first, we will take a paper and draw the face of it like this and cut it out. Now using yellow color paper, we will make its body, cut it and then join them and your dragon is ready. Next, we will take a orange color paper and make a wolf using it. So fold it like this as shown in the video. Make its eyes, nose and mouth and it's ready. Thanks for watching.